Hey guys, this is Steven from RC Engineering, and this is my part 2 of my Hitec EHawkeye powered glider. So now we're just gonna, probably not as much commentary, most of the commentary was in the first video. This video is just gonna be more flight footage. So we got another 11 minutes on a 432 cell. Same, just like the first video, I bought 2 of them. So I got both. So this one, we're gonna try to do more gliding. Also, obviously, super easy to launch. And, basically, minimum speed is about there on a non-windy day. It's a little bit under half. You could fly just fine. Let's gain some altitude, do some more gliding. Go into the wind. This is actually my first powered glider. Okay, power's off. About half throttle to climb. Sort of climb. Yeah. Nah, I don't have anything holding the battery in. Gonna cut power now. Power's cut.
It flattens out the wings pretty good, or you have to do that yourself?
Well, it's definitely harder when you have throttle cut. The wings don't wanna. You just don't have as much authority anymore.
But with the throttle cut, do the wings want to go flat, or do they just kind of go where they want?
No, they stay flat for the most part.
That's good then.
It's just to go into a turn, you have to give it quite a bit.
Oh.
Go into a turn.
Oh, I lost the battery.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to do battery search.
Alright. Low grass. You should have better luck.
Yeah.
Power cut. So yeah, this guy would make a great slope soarer, obviously. Maybe a little bit small wingspan. And maybe a little bit of a problem with that that rudder being that way. But yeah, that's fine. Power's off. Definitely want to stay obviously on the back elevator. So gonna keep you aloft for a little bit longer. Really cool model. Even if you don't fly it that often, you know, just have a lazy day, you don't want to mess with something that you're too worried about breaking, because I'm also not too worried about this guy breaking just because of the weight and the speed you could actually fly at. And actually how controllable rudder and elevator is, you know, it takes a long time for do something crazy. The main thing I'm worried about with this guy is crashing into trees, like I normally do, because like then you could lose the model pretty easily, because you're in a tree. So yeah, this guy just weighs so little. I think it's about 120 gram, 120, 130 gram flying weight. Throttle is cut. So as I was explaining to my buddy Maurice, it definitely needs a lot more input when you're power off to glide, because the control is the control. You need a lot more input to get it to control the same when you're throttle off, just because of the lack of airflow over the control surfaces to turn and stuff. Also, just like on a normal model, when you're turning, you want to get a little bit of elevator to make sure you don't lose so much altitude, because normal turning you lose a little bit. Still up, Maurice?
Still up.
Yep. Got in there 5 minutes.
I put on my quads on Craigslist already.
Oh yeah?
Whew.
Yeah, most models I would not be that comfortable flying this close to the ground. So yeah, let's do some full throttle passes actually. I haven't done any. Let's do some speed passes, see how it flies under speed. For the rest of this battery, you've done plenty of gliding. So you see that right turn, pretty intense. Let's do some low speed passes. Yeah, as you see with this guy full throttle. Full throttle, you gotta really mess with the elevator to keep it from keep it from climbing. I'll do a few more minutes of full throttle. Another 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then last minute I'm gonna use to cool the ESC down. So yeah, I mean it's not. Okay, throttle's down, back down. I'm not really super big into it running full throttle. Just too much elevator. Right now I have it pretty well trimmed out, and I just have it I think it's like 4